I had to wait a while before I could give a fair review since this tri-fold mattress was bought to serve overnight guests in our spare bedroom, library, workout space. This room has a click-clack type loveseat that folds into a full-size bed. It's not quite a futon because the cushioning is intact and cannot be removed. It works on its own as a click-into-place bed. However, it's beyond firm for the average human with any joints in their body. Something I couldn't fix with a 2-inch hybrid cooling gel mattress pad, but we couldn't justify replacing the click bed, not futon, couch thing with a real bed because it would be a waste of useful space for the majority of the time. So in comes the Milliard tri-fold mattress. Something we could zip away in its carrying bag and used as an ottoman, extra seating bench, or just tuck away in a closet. When it arrived, I dragged it upstairs and removed it from the plastic wrap. It poofed up on the bedroom floor to size pretty quickly. My preschooler and I took turns rolling on it and jumping on it. It amazed me that I couldn't feel the floor. Felt like I was laying on my actual bed minus the 2 seams where the mattress folds up. So I knew I had made an economically sound and space-saving choice. Closing parenthesis. Since the initial purchase in March 2018, we have now had 6 occasions where company stayed over and slept on this mattress. Everyone has reported back that it's very comfortable. I use the previously owned 2-in pad to top it off before the bedding, and that helps with being able to feel the folding seams. I also like that the cover that Milliard uses has 3 different cases for each section. That 1 is super soft, feels great to the touch, and 2 can be unzipped off and washed. Great. We folded down the seats of our 2013 Chrysler Town & Country and put this mattress down. It fits almost perfectly. We are headed for a 3-week camping trip. We will update on comfort when we return, but it feels very comfortable as of now. Have spent a week on this mattress and I really like it. Very comfortable and perfect for sleeping on hard surfaces. I used it to complete a pallet platform bed. Would highly recommend. It's thicker than what appears on photo. I am absolutely satisfied. It's very comfortable and wide. Overall excellent. I sleep on it every night, and the next morning I am very well rested. No more backache. Love it, smiley face. Good as my main bed just on the floor, but you'll need an additional cover sheet for it. Lots of lint builds up on the cover that comes with it and it's surprisingly difficult to get rid of. It's like knots. I'm using this in my art studio that also functions as a guest room, and this fold-out mattress is perfect. It's comfortable and convenient. I keep it folded up and drape a blanket and pillows on it, and it doubles as a really comfy boho-style floor sofa. Mattress is nice, no plastic smell when was opened, but it is not 78 inches long as says in description online. Mattress in flat position measures 78 inches. X 52 in. By 4 inches. When I measured it with the tape it was only 75 inches long, which may be critical for a tall person. On a sheet which came with mattress it even says 73 by 52 by 4. I placed his mattress on top of my uncomfortable fold-out sofa mattress and it's awesome. Like sleeping on a normal bed. I highly recommend. Folds away easily in my closet. Click link in description for more reviews.